will start with the most important concept in this unit, that is depreciation. Depreciation means decrease in the value of asset. Now, what does income tax provision says? What is depreciation? Depreciation as per Income Tax Act 1961 of section 32, it says that depreciation means diminishing value of an asset. Okay, and whoever is calculating the income from business and profession, they can allow depreciation as deduction. Clear? They can allow depreciation as deduction because it is a part of business expenditure, so they can allow it as a deduction. Now, Income Tax Act has given you few conditions to claim depreciation. Who all can claim depreciation as deduction while calculating TGBB income? Clear? Now, conditions for claiming depreciation. Now, one by one we will go in detail. So, first, the assessee must own the asset. The person who is claiming for the depreciation must own the asset. He should own the asset. He should not hire it, and he cannot claim that hired assets depreciation. Clear? He should own the asset. Next, the asset must be used for business or professional only. It should not be used for personal use. It should be used either for his business or his professional use. Clear? Next, depreciation. Claiming of depreciation is mandatory, not at the choice of the assessee. It is mandatory. Income Tax Act says that it compulsorily you have to claim depreciation. It is not his choice, the assessee's choice to decide whether to claim or not. Chalo bhai, I will not claim this. He cannot say that. It is mandatory as per Income Tax Act. Clear? Now, what all assets can claim depreciation? According to Income Tax Act 1961, depreciation is allowed on tangible assets, intangible assets. Now, we have 4 tangible assets which are included by Income Tax Act, that is building, machinery, plant and furniture. And under plant, what all are included? Under building, which all are considered? This all we will discuss in detail now. And intangible assets, when you speak about intangible assets, patents, copyrights, trademarks, etc., these all will come under this. Now, and any other licenses which are acquired on or after this date, 1st April 1998. From this date, even license were included under intangible assets, and Income Tax Act says you can claim it as deduction. Clear? Now, last point, depreciation is allowed on block of asset. Now, Income Tax Act says that you cannot allow depreciation for individual asset. You will have multiple assets with you in your business. You cannot calculate for individual assets. You have to calculate for block of asset. Okay. And block of asset, how it has to be charged, how this block of assets will be grouped together, this all we will discuss now. Clear? Now, what do you mean by block of assets? Block of assets is nothing but group of assets with similar nature. Clear? Clear? Group of assets of same nature will be put together and called as block of assets. So, always Income Tax Act says that depreciation will be allowed only on block of assets, not individually. Clear?